what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your engagement widget on a high-level funnel or website. So when you're in your ChatHQ portal, make sure you are in the engagement section, select the widget that you would like to install, click on widget settings, and then go all the way to the bottom. You're going to see the install section. And when you open that up, you're going to see the installation code here. So we're going to go ahead and copy this installation code by clicking on that copy button. You're going to see this pop up say installation code copied to clipboard. And then we're going to jump on into our HighLevel. So here I am in a test funnel, and I'm going to show you how to install your code. So when you open up your funnel, you're going to go over to the settings section here. And then over here, you're going to see the body tracking code. So we're going to go ahead and paste the tracking code that we copied from our ChatHQ portal. So you're going to paste that in the body tracking code, and then from there we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click on save. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and save my changes there, and then you can open up your funnel page. So let's go ahead and click on preview page, and you're going to see that open up. And here you can see our ChatHQ Engagement Widget has been installed. If I click on this to open it, you're going to see the widget there. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.